So guys, let's start today new video. Please like and subscribe our channel. This is Kai. Let's roll. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats. 1 dog. So we will toss. Wow. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3 dogs. Yes, go. Wow, this is red. 3 red. Violet, blue, red. Rabbit, 3 rabbit. Yellow, green. Parrot. Wow, this is beautiful cat. Pink, brown, blue. Wow, very good.